over by the carport. I went to check, see if it was windy, and there was a squirrel. He was in Mr. Story's flower bed, digging and putting a walnut in there. And I don't know if he took it out or he's putting walnuts everywhere, but it kind of looked like he decided not to put it there and put it more on closer to the grass on that side. And then he put another one in the other one, because I said, I'm not going to steal your walnuts, squirrel. Because it's like he saw me and had second thoughts, because he was starting to bury it in the flower bed. The one's got the 3 windmill flowers. Some of them are missing their flower things, because after a while it'll break off. And little trinkets in the flower bed, or medium size. A rabbit trinket, knick-knack, a bear, and there's another one, a fox. You can just remember that. I was trying to remember. I keep thinking deer, but that's up in the front area. And they got squirrel there. The squirrels like to go in the front yard flower bed too. And they accidentally knocked the knick-knack squirrel down. I was wondering what knocked that knick-knack squirrel down. Tommy said, probably another squirrel. And I said, yeah, you're probably right, Tommy, because I've seen squirrels go by that way in the flower bed.